3 days later, 12 seconds later, 3:28 a.m., 8:01 p.m. The next day, 10 seconds later, 346 minutes later. Meanwhile, at the Krusty Krab, much later, opening extremely annoying shift later, 2 very boring minutes later, lot of boring math later, 1 week later, 1 long angry line later, 72 hours later, the following Thursday, 5 minutes later, 24 hours later, much later, much later, the next day, 2,000 years later, 6.5 hours later, a few inches later.
Much later, that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
6 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.